Hi, my name is Vladimir from Startup Philippines, and I'm doing a review of Ryan Hildreth and his company, cashflowchallenge.com. The position I first applied for was video editor, as I have experience with Adobe Premiere, and Ryan's team helped me land the position with one of his clients in about 7 days from doing my final interview. And I really enjoy working with Louisa. She was very kind and got back to my questions quickly. She also pays me with a client very fast. I enjoy position as a video editor because I get express my creativity and improve my skills. I've been in this position for a little over a month now, and I highly recommend others to work with Ryan Hildreth and his team since they are very professional and committed to their premises. And their team maintains the utmost integrity and they are the best at what they do. Thank you.